Hey kids, so welcome to another the Shakespeare's International Preschool online lesson. Now this is for grades P1, P2 and Pre-KG. It's with Teacher Damien and we're going to do our Jolly Phonics. Let's start with our letter S. Sounds like S, S, S for snake, S for snake. Letter A sounds like A, A, A for ant, A for ant. Our letter T sounds like T, T, T for tennis. Our letter I sounds like I, I, I for ink. Letter P sounds like P, P, P for puff out the candles on the pink pig cake. P, P. N sounds like N, N, N for noisy aeroplane. N. C for castanet, K for kite, E sounds like E, E, E for egg, F for egg. H sounds like H, H, H for hop, H for hop. R sounds like R for rag, for rag. M sounds like for meal, for meal. D sounds like D, D, D for drum, D for drum. G sounds like G, G, G for gurgle, G for gurgle. O sounds like O, O, O for on, O for on, off, on, off. U sounds like up, up, up for umbrella, up for umbrella. L sounds like L, L, L for lollipop, L for lollipop. F sounds like fish, fish. B sounds like B, B, B for bat, B for bat. Z sounds like Z. Z. Z for buzz. Z. Z. W sounds like W. W. W for wind. W for wind. V sounds like V. V. V for Vix van. V for Vix van. Y sounds like Y. Y. Y for yogurt. Y for yogurt. X sounds like X. X. X for box. X for X-ray. X. A and I together sounds like A. J sounds like J. J. J for jiggling jelly. J for jiggling jelly. O and A sounds like O. O. I and E sounds like I. I. E and E, O and R sounds like E or. E or. N and G sounds like strong, strong. O and O sounds like oo or cuckoo, cuckoo. C and H sounds like ch, choo, choo. S and H sounds like sh, 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 sh. T and H sounds like Q and U sounds like quack, quack. O and I sounds like oi, 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 oi. O and U sounds like ow, 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 ow. U and E sounds like you, 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 you. E and R sounds like uh. A and R sounds like R, 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 R. So a quick recap. So A sounds like A. B sounds like B. C sounds like K. D sounds like D. E sounds like E. F sounds like F. G sounds like G. H sounds like H. I sounds like I. J sounds like J. K sounds like K. L sounds like L. M sounds like mm. N sounds like n. O sounds like o. P sounds like p. Q sounds like qu. R sounds like r. S sounds like s. T sounds like t. U sounds like ah. V sounds like v. W sounds like w. X sounds like x. And Y sounds like y. And Z sounds like z. Okay kids, so there's a link below for our Jolly Phonics song, which you can listen to. So that's the end of today's online lesson, Jolly Phonics. See you later kids, bye bye.